Welcome to the Tech Radar Pro channel, where today we have an important message about a new malware threat facing developers. Cybersecurity researchers from Phylum have recently discovered a new form of malware hiding in a PyPy package. \n\n This malicious code seemed innocuous at first, hidden within thousands of code strings utilizing Unicode, a global encoding standard that helps simplifies how characters are viewed in digital devices. This malicious code came to be known as Onyx Proxy, and its mission was to take control of developer credentials and authentication tokens. \n. It managed to stay live and on the market for an entire week, long enough to get downloaded by up to 183 unsuspecting developers who are now at risk of having their credentials and online identity stolen. Unfortunately, it isn't very difficult to execute these kinds of malicious code hiding tactics, as the authors only need to come up with multiple Unicode variants of 3 key identifiers. \n. However, it would be wrong to undermine the sophistication of this malware. According to the researchers, this kind of obfuscated code is readable without divulging too much of exactly what the code is trying to steal, emphasizing the importance of remaining vigilant when dealing with potentially hazardous code. \n. This is why we regularly push out updates about the latest security threats and provide our followers with the tools and guidance their business needs to succeed. If you want to know more about cybersecurity and the most reliable malware removal tools, make sure to stay tuned and sign up to our newsletter. \n. For today, that is all. Thank you for joining us and have a nice day.